Percival in the time when he lived, who lost himself in gazing, so much that he never learned to ask what the lance and the grail were for. And I am the same best of ladies when I see your noble body, just the same. I forget myself when I gaze at you, and I think to pray to you, but I don't, I just brood. With a sweet deep gaze that has made its way through my eyes without returning to my heart, where I hold it so dear. If it pleased you that such were my reward for the troubles and the pains that I often suffer for you, best of ladies, so grievously, I would rather die for you than have any other joy. I desire you so much. If your heart was such as the courtesy that makes you speak so graciously, you could easily think of me that I would sooner die than pray to you, for I dare not, for I hold my heart locked away. Best of ladies, and thought of you so joyful that when I rage at anything, the sweet thought takes away the rage with the delight. Like the morning star which has no equal, so is your rich worth without equal, and your loving clear eyes pure without treachery, beautiful, pleasing, noble body enclosing all beauties, best of ladies, and of good character, which defends me from thinking of sorrow that cannot be distanced or escaped. Old in wisdom and in praise, young where joy binds, old in worth and in honor, young in beautiful courtship, far from folly, old in loyal deeds, young where youth is healthy. Youth, gracious, aging without growing old, and young in years and in welcoming others. Best of ladies, I regret nothing if I wait for the joy that is to come, for one gains good love through service.